I have just had my Christmas party with my YouTube bestie, and now I'm heading home. However, I'm going to try and find you a few Christmas lights highlights on the way back, maybe kind of via Burlington Arcade, St James's, and we are starting at Covent Garden.
You're definitely not on her good list.
As I said, this will be an edited highlights, but we're in Covent Garden, so what the hey, have a little look. Here's a street performer, as you can tell. So busy, so busy.
Sorry, are you recording audio as well?
Yes. Do not worry. Don't worry. Right, I'm going to bring it to a close in Covent Garden. You will find me next probably like Trafalgar Square, Leicester Square, somewhere like that. Let's see what we find. This is the Leicester Square Christmas market. I'm not going in because, you know, I've got someone with me. They don't want to be doing that as well. But we are here because we have heard there is an excellent Christmas tree to be found here. And that Christmas tree is allegedly in the Londoner. So let's see if the ever so nice guys at the door will let us in to see the Christmas tree. They were more than happy to let us in. These are black and white roses made of offcuts from fashion designer Huishan Zhang's fashion collection from London Fashion Week this year. Quick reminder here, this is my walk home, so it's not every light you will ever see in London, just a collection of some Christmas trees and lights as I come across them. Less narration than usual. This is St James's Market, part of the Regent Street Spirit of Christmas display. Although, as you'll see, this is the only earthbound spirit. We have 3 arcades coming up. This is number 1. This is Prince's Arcade. Oh yes, the Fortnum Mason's Christmas puddings display, so popular this year all over social media. Arcade number 2, this is the Piccadilly Arcade.
You're so sweet. The one at the end. Yeah. Oh yeah, this one here.
No, it's on the right.
Yeah, like the Coleman, solid silver. Yeah. Oh
Solid silver.
Here, this is the one.
Yeah.
The best tree in London, the Ritz tree. Yeah, love it.
Brilliant.
C'est derrière, ouais.
Arcade number 3, the final of our 3. This is Burlington Arcade. It is quite long. It is actually the length of Old Bond Street.
Well, actually, Emma said I might not have to.
Tom? Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Angela here, just hope you're enjoying my little random trip around London. I know most of it's not narrated this time. I just thought I'd catch a few spots as I'm out for my Christmas party with an old friend. Hope you're enjoying it. Let's turn around and see one more view. Leap to you too. Crazy time incoming and joining the crowds, photographing the designer shop displays on New Bond Street.
Oh, I forgot the key.
Ay ben çekin biraz ya. Do you remember in the picture Charlie was standing right here? Right here. She was sitting right here.
Eso es una barca fix.
I think we're moving walking out.
The Claridge's tree is in partnership with Louis Vuitton and celebrates the art of travel. These are chrome trunks in the silhouette of a Christmas tree. The new Bond Street lights. Okay, we're rocking up at Trafalgar Square now. I'm just going to take you to see the tree, past a few stalls on the Christmas market, on this whistle-stop tour of London Lights on a Friday night just before Christmas. It's absolutely crazy. I'll get you a bit closer to the tree. Oh, there's singing going on. Oh, that's so nice. I'll see if I can pop down there, even if it's not quite on my route. Let's go see, let's go see. Okay, I am at Waterloo. That is the end of a crazy 2 Fridays before Christmas walk through some highlights of the lights in London. Not all of them, but a lot of them. I really hope you enjoyed this unexpected walk and have a fantastic Christmas. See you in 2024. Bye bye.